Hi kids, let's learn some number. Orange color, light green color, forest green color, purple color, sea green color, baby pink color, red color, sky blue color, yellow color, brown color, blue color. Today learn and write capital letter, number and small letter alphabet. Letter A for apple. B for baby. C for car. D for dolphin. E for eagle. Number 1. O-N-E 1. Number 2. T-W-O 2. Number 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. Number 4. F-O-U-R 4. Number 5. F-I-V-E 5. Small letter ABCD. Letter A for alligator. B for balloon. C for camera. D for disco. E for eye. Now reverse. Capital letter ABCD. A, B, C, D, E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Small letter A, B, C, D, E. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.